So this is the new mini OC. Connect the power plug over there. Turn on the machine from here. This is the on off switch. While turning on, the oxygen will come out automatically from this port, oxygen outlet. You need to connect the pipe over here. You need to connect this pipe, one end here and other end will be, this end will be connected to the humidifier bottle. The humidifier bottle will be kept here and the top of the humidifier bottle, this will be connected. So this is for the oxygen. This is the display switch. This is the total flow. Now the flow is 5.0. This is the flow adjustment, plus or minus. You can reduce the flow, minus you can increase the flow from here. The down one is the total cumulative hour. This is the total time run at one stretch. To check the oxygen purity of the machine, you need to press both this button at the same time, or just press this one then press M. The purity will show on the screen. Now the purity is 93%. This is the on off switch of the machine. The machine is now turned off. This is oxygen outlet and this is nebulization interface, this one. To use the nebulizer, you need to set this flow at 1.0. Now turn off the machine, then open this nebulizer port. Now turn on the machine and the nebulizer sheet will be connected here, this point. After using nebulization, turn off the machine from here. This indicator shows while pressure is error or overheat, this will be showing, this light will blink. After that, the O2 light, when the purity will get less than 80%, this light will be blinked. So this is the total user manual is there. For the maintenance, there are two filters at the back side of the machine. One is this one is one filter, another is this one. This is the HEPA filter. You need to put this out. This is the HEPA filter, white filter. You need to clean this filter at a regular basis, like weekly once, and change this filter after 1500 hours. This filter and the down one also. You need to put this one. These two things will come out. Now put like this, and this is one air filter. This is the only sponge. You need to put it out. You can wash it with water, then dry it, then again place it in this place like this, then put it like this. This is the total maintenance of the machine. Don't put water on this first surface or here. That's it.